What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Earnin. Earnin is a financial services company that empowers users to take control of their finances by providing instant access to earned wages, credit monitoring, and savings tools. With its user-friendly app and robust features, Earnin aims to make financial momentum more accessible and manageable for individuals across the United States. Now, let's take a look at some of its benefits and features. Convenience and financial flexibility. Earnin's cash out feature is designed to provide users with instant access to their earned wages, eliminating the need to wait for their regular paydays. This feature offers several benefits, including convenience and financial flexibility. With cash out, users can manage their finances more effectively by paying bills on time, covering unexpected expenses, and making the most of their earnings. Additionally, Earnin does not charge interest or mandatory fees for cash out, making it a cost-effective option for users. This feature allows users to take control of their finances and make the most of their hard-earned money. Credit monitoring. Earnin's credit monitoring feature provides users with free access to their Vantage Score 3.0 by Experian. This feature offers several benefits, including financial awareness and planning. With credit monitoring, users can track their credit score and receive alerts about any changes, helping them stay informed about their financial situation. This feature also allows users to better plan for their financial goals, such as applying for loans or credit cards, by knowing their credit score and history. Furthermore, checking credit scores through Earnin does not affect the user's credit score, ensuring that their financial decisions are not influenced by the monitoring process. This feature empowers users to make informed financial decisions and achieve their long-term goals. Earned wages access for employers. Earnin's EWA for employers offers several benefits to employees, including financial wellness, increased productivity, retention, and no cost to employers. By providing employees with access to their earned wages before payday, employers can improve their financial well-being and reduce financial stress. This, in turn, can lead to increased productivity and motivation at work. Additionally, offering EWA as a benefit can help employers retain employees longer, as employees are more likely to stay with a company that supports their financial well-being. The best part is that Earnin does not require any technical integration, funding, or changes to business operations, making it a zero-cost benefit for employers. This feature is a valuable addition to any employer's benefits package, providing a competitive edge in attracting and retaining top talent. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Earnin's cash out feature has several limitations that can make it less attractive for some users. For example, it is only available to users who receive their paychecks via direct deposit and have a compatible bank account. Additionally, users can only borrow up to $100 per day and $750 per pay period, which may not be enough to cover serious emergencies. Furthermore, repeated use of the service can lead to dependence on early paycheck withdrawals, which can create a destructive spending habits in the long run. Earnin operates on a voluntary tipping model, which can be a drawback for some users. While the tipping feature allows users to decide how much to pay, it can add up over time. For instance, a 10% or 20% tip on a $100 loan can translate to a higher annual percentage rate. Additionally, the app does not guarantee that users will not overdraft their accounts, which can result in additional fees. Earnin requires users to share sensitive financial and personal data, including bank account information and employment details. While the app employs 256-bit encryption and promises not to withdraw more than authorized, some users may feel that this level of access is an invasion of privacy. Additionally, the app's reliance on user tips and lack of mandatory fees can create uncertainty about the true cost of using the service. Earnin's innovative financial services, including cash out, credit monitoring, and earned wages access for employers, empower users to take control of their finances and achieve financial momentum. By leveraging Earnin's features, users can reduce financial stress, improve their financial well-being, and make the most of their hard-earned money. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.